Whakaalo whātu. We're here in the town hall, ready to perform in front of Jacinda Ardern for the apology. Whewhia lahi au, mea ke wheleria mō tau tangata, mō Andrex, mō X, hautuai o moto. Yeah, so this is us. We're just waiting to get started and pretty excited. Thanks. Koe kia.
Whakalawhalahi atu mo tau whanau, whakaoe whakamoa ke whakalawhanoa hea toa. Welcome to today. Today's a glorious day. It's a special day today because today is a huge day in the Pacific Island community. The government is going to apologize for the injustices that the Pacific Islanders went through in the 1970s during the Dawn Raids. And what better way to start it with the Niueans. So the Niueans are going to open in a takalo, a challenge to the government.
Hako.
And then the government's going to walk through into the chamber. Inside the chamber, the Cook Islands are going to like take over with the singing, the Tongans, the Samoans. So it's like all the Pacific Islanders coming together to show unity and to come together in this time of like healing for our community. So hope you guys enjoy.
Whakaoe.
Yo, ko whalawhalahi atu kam tolosi wa kisi mai ke YouTube channel nei. Mako e ngoko Sam Pilisi ko koe tamaniwe mai he tamang ko amasene one pata mo alufi tarelo. Whiwhia lahi matolu ke langmatai mo o moi e whekau nei ke lata ia mo halutolu e mga whamali Dawn Raids. Greetings everyone. This special occasion that we're at is here at the Auckland Town Hall. It's just a nice privilege for us as Niue people to be part of the various welcome celebrations. So we'll be doing a takalo, a welcoming takalo to Jacinda Ardern, Minister Opito, and the various other dignitaries that will be first welcomed by a Māori karanga, a mana whenua Ngāti Whātua, and then they will come to us and then we will pass them over to our cousins in the Cook Islands. This evening, this special occasion is an apology from the New Zealand government to Pacific peoples that were caught up during the Dawn Raids era. Lots of injustices during that time. Many decades later, we've arrived as a community to this place where the government is going to apologise. So no doubt be lots of emotions. I personally wasn't involved, but I know various people in my friends and family circles that were caught up during this era. So we're just doing our part, and there'll be lots of different groups that are here this evening, and just looking forward to being part of a momentous occasion for the New Zealand Pacifica community. Wawi lahi, wawi tū.
I know. I don't need to and I say to you, at this point, they're choosing no, well, the system
Yep.
Whakalawhalahi atu, James here, just about to partake in the Dawn Raid apologies as part of the Niue contingent. We'll be performing a formal Niue takalo, so we're looking forward to it. So check out the video clip when John obviously completes it, but also it's a great event for us to be a part of. So yeah, whakaoe lahi.
Hello family, Teo here, just here at the town hall, my brother John. Just coming to do our Niuean takalo for the Dawn Raid apology. It's pretty special for us, actually for all islands in general, going through that whole phase in the 70s, I believe. Yeah. I wasn't born at that time, but it's cool to learn things and to get an opportunity like this, just take it and run with it. Yeah. Hopefully you get to see the full thing, I don't know, on the news or something, see what it looks like. Yeah.
Well, what's up? We're here, Town Hall. Yeah, just about to go out into the foyer to, do what we've been preparing for 2 or 3 months preparation. So yeah, it's going to be me. To have all the brothers who we've seen in Niue. Even though I don't know the language much, it's still an honour to speak, chant these words, represent, and shout out to John, man. Let's get.
My name's Aaron. We're currently at the Auckland Town Hall in the city. I'm about to perform in front of the Prime Minister.
feeling pretty excited and yeah, can't wait for it to happen and then finish.
Hey guys, everyone, my name's Ramon, just here on Polynesian Culture Movement for the Apology for the Dawn Rays. Here we're part of the culture, like I said, and then part of the voice, so good to go out there and give a bit of history to everyone else that don't know. Yeah.
Whakalawhatu kia motolu. We're about to start this performance of the boys. We're here backstage and pretty excited. Whiwhi lahi, opo masi lahi. Matalahi o ke hukui niue ke tausi takalo for the apology. Whakolahi e taki e Sam Ilisi whakilahi mo tau takata niue. Waia koikia, wish us luck.
Contributors to our economic success. However, in the multiple chapters of Pacific people's story in New Zealand, the chapter of the Dawn Raid stands out as one that continues to cast a long shadow. Discriminatory application of immigration laws in the 1970s. During the economic boom of the 1950s, New Zealand encouraged significant migration from the Pacific region to fill labour shortages in the manufacturing and primary production sector. It was a time of economic prosperity, and many migrated from the Pacific to New Zealand as a result. However, at the downturn of the economy in the early 1970s, parts of our society began to see migrants as jeopardising their financial